What happens when a defendant claims the victim lied, but the judge uncovers something that changes everything? This courtroom hearing takes a shocking turn as a serious assault charge, an alleged violation of a no-contact order, and a dramatic bond increase unfold in real time. Watch until the end to see why the judge calls this case active violence and issues a decision that no one in the courtroom expected.
David Stevens.
Yeah, I had no response. There's a man staring up. Judge, at 1 minute until 9, I was out calling names and none of them speak.
I'm not having any trouble, Don. I don't know what your trouble
Well,
is.
I guess they're just scary.
They're all showing up for me.
And I've never spoken with him either.
Are you David Lee Stevens? Oh, I like your last name.
Sorry.
One of us is misspelling it. Nonetheless, seriously, though, you were charged here with the second-degree felony of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, namely a knife. And that doesn't end there, because the indictment states that you were convicted in 2010 in Sutton County, Texas. Where's Sutton County? I'm not familiar with that. Is that up near
West Texas,
Huh?
going toward El Paso.
Okay, it's west. What's the capital? What's the county seat of Sutton County? Yeah,
Sonora, Texas.
Sonora.
Yeah.
That's way up there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it states you were finally convicted of illegal possession of a controlled substance, a third-degree felony in 2010, out of the 112th District Court of Sutton County. So, what this means is not good. Your second-degree felony in paragraph 1. If you're found guilty of that, it can be enhanced or increased because of the previous third-degree felony out of Sutton County, if that's accurate. So if all of this is proven true, you were looking at a first-degree felony of no less than 5 nor more than 99 years confinement or life imprisonment, and a fine up to $10,000. So that is what you're facing here. The victim in this case, do you have any connection with this victim right now? Contact? The Keisha?
Yes, sir.
You're not supposed to.
I brought her to court so she could sign and let her know that it was untrue.
What was untrue?
The whole indictment.
That she lied?
Yes.
Well, that's a crime, isn't it? How many people are going to get in trouble on this? I don't like that. That's not the way the game, it's not a game that's played. State, she's the prosecutor. I know the way she thinks about this stuff. Lying doesn't get you out of trouble. Get you in trouble. What's his bond? You're not supposed to have any contact with people, really the victims, especially and changing stories. It isn't the way.
I know.
Isn't the way it's supposed to be. Well, no, you've had contact.
Yes.
You know too much about the plan that's being hatched to try to absolve you of responsibility. The law is not a gun. The law, it's about fairness and justice. I'm sorry?
His bond is $75,000.
Who posted that?
I did.
Where'd you get $75,000?
I worked on
Yeah, well, it's doubled to $150,000 now. Threatened to kill her with a knife. Holding the knife in the hair. I'm sorry. When I'm speaking, you can't speak because the lady can't take everything. But this is what the lady said. The victim. You said, I'm going to effing kill you. Blood was observed throughout the house. A weapon was located. The victim stated the threat was taking place. She tried to gain control of the knife, cut her finger in the process. They located you, detained you. Y'all had been in a dating relationship for 5 years, 2 children. This isn't role modeling, for children. This isn't good role modeling for children. Due to no, I'm still working on the probable cause affidavit. It's lengthy and detailed. Due to the nature of this call and the partnership, both were in agreement of the assault was, I don't understand what that word is. The assault was a result of family violence. The victim states she believed that you were capable of your threats and that he placed her in fear of imminent death. You were thus arrested, placed in the back of the patrol vehicle and transported. If the affiant believes if you and the victim were to be left alone, further family violence would ensue. That's why we try to work things to have no contact until we can resolve this. The defendant is charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, second-degree felony. Okay. Condition of all bonds or don't have contact with the victim unless I authorize it. I didn't. Here's the remarks of the magistrate when your bond was set. Remarks: no contact of any kind with the victim, Lakeisha Williams. Okay. It's $150,000 plus you have to have a GPS device. Plus you will stay in home confinement at someone else's location other than the victim until this can be sorted out. Next time there won't be a bond. That y'all figure that out. Those are the court's orders. You're taken into custody. You don't make the rules. The law makes the rules.
What do you think? Did the judge make the right decision, or should the outcome have been different? Share your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoy real courtroom moments, legal analysis, and the most dramatic hearings caught on camera, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.